Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels, Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukwea paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe, takwigirai nyaya ya buditswa neri Zimbabwe mayor uyo ya buda chitara chitike convoy yema vehicles hayo belong at the presidential Mnangagwa's to President Emerson Mnangagwa's presidential guard are involved in a serious accident muri Zimbabwe chitiko chaitika apo ZANU-PF iri pakati tensions and unease muri Zimbabwe nenyaya yema succession battles. So my eyewitnesses abuda chitara chiti motor idzaita collision dzakati one day mu major road outside Harare takuda kusvika pamvuma zvakonzera kuti masoja anga aripo awanikwe achikwara zvakare mota dzawanikwa chikwara tavatukita ma officials asati abudisa formal statement regarding because the accident muri Zimbabwe asipamira zvakaita hazvina kutombomira mushe tikangokuratidzai ma videos abuditswa nema witnesses paitika chitiko ichi mwamatira muri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Zvaizvezvi tisati tasvika pamvuma chata extend mota dzamasoja dzarovana, masoja akuvara zvakashata, pakuwariwa vatotakurwa izvezvi shame. Mayellow barret I think vanenge vachiuya kugraduation yekumucheke. Shame. Anyway. Anyway. Shame. Shame.
Tofunga mangozona ya mega muri Zimbabwe yabuditswa ndi Zimbabwean mayor achitaura vachiti a convoy of vehicles belonging to President Emerson Mnangagwa's presidential guard was involved in a serious accident on Tuesday, adding to the growing tension and unease within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Eyewitnesses reported that several vehicles from the convoy collided on a major road outside Harare, resulting in injuries among the security detail and extensive damage to the vehicles. Officials have yet to release a formal statement regarding the cause of the accident or the condition of those involved. The accident comes as ZANU-PF grapples with internal strife, following recent party meetings that exposed widening rifts between factions loyal to Mnangagwa and those aligning to other powerful figures, including Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sources within the party indicate that the rival has intensified since Mnangagwa's re-election in August, with factional disagreements reportedly spilling over into the administration's day-to-day operation. Analysts have pointed out that this incident may symbolize the rising tension and discord within the party's upper echelons. The stakes are high as different factions within ZANU-PF vie for influence, and incidents like these only add to the climate of suspicion and mistrust. Political analyst David Gwede commented, "The presidential guard's convoy is responsible for safeguarding Mnangagwa's movements, making any disruption or mishap involving this unit particularly concerning. In recent weeks, rumors of heightened security have circulated, suggesting that internal pressures within ZANU-PF might be leading to increased vigilance and even friction among the president's close security detail." Despite official attempts to downplay internal divisions, speculations has mounted that recent moves to tighten Mnangagwa's control over party operations and proposed changes to government positions have exacerbated factional rivalries. Some party insiders claim that Mnangagwa's insistence on consolidating power has led to discontent among those who feel sidelined or diminished within the party hierarchy. ZANU-PF spokesperson have yet to comment on the convoy incident or address the circulating reports of division within the party. However, with the looming challenge of managing the country's faltering economy, many observers fear that infighting could weaken the party's ability to address Zimbabwe's pressing socio-economic issues effectively. Political tensions within ZANU-PF has been on the rise since Mnangagwa's disputed re-election. Factions within the party appear to be positioning themselves for future influence, especially with discussions of Mnangagwa's potential extended tenure past 2028, a point of contention for those advocating for party unity and structural reforms. For Zimbabweans, the ongoing ZANU-PF conflicts and incidents like the convoy incident represent added uncertainty, with the party's focus seemingly consumed by internal disputes. Concerns grow about whether the government can provide the stability and governance needed to navigate Zimbabwe's economic crisis and restore public trust. As the ZANU-PF leadership attempts to restore cohesion, the party faces a delicate balancing act, managing the factions within while projecting unity and strength to the public. Meanwhile, the recent convoy accident adds a dramatic layer to a political landscape already marked by uncertainty and division. Dunya yaburitswa ati Zimbabwe nimeo mure Zimbabwe tinaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tudzeizva murufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Zvaizvezvi tisati tasvika pamvuma tata extend mota dzamasoja dzarovana, masoja akuvara zvakashata, pakuwariwa patotakurwa izvezvi mayellow barret aya I think vanenge vachiuya kugraduation yekumucheke. Shame. Anyway. Anyway. Shame. Shame.
Anogononga